Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Your favorite realtor here, Sergio. I'm in sunny Arizona right now. Excuse my squinting right now before I get into something where there's a little more shade. But right here beside me, I'm making a quick video to explain a couple things to my friends and family right now. Um, there's a lot of different vehicles in the world today that we can use to invest. We can put money into something that pays us back. Now, when it comes to investments, most of us are looking for a return, right? Now, when that return comes to you, that's going to be up to you to decide what works for you, what you're putting into the investment, what you're getting back, when you're getting it back. All of these things are important to note when you are looking to invest money into something. I don't know a whole lot about cryptocurrency. I don't know a whole lot about investing in stocks. I don't know a whole lot about investing into other things that pay you every year or every quarter. What I do know is something like this building right here. This guy right here, it's a fourplex. So this is what we call multi-unit investing in real estate. This building right here, this entire building is for sale right now, which means that when you buy this building, you're not just buying one door, you're buying 4 doors. Essentially, you are going to get 4 properties that you'll be able to rent out. And what's going to happen every single month, not every year, not every quarter, every single month, this investment right here is going to pay you. It's going to pay you like clockwork. This particular property right here has been on the market for a couple of weeks, and I wanted to share this with my friends and family because, again, there's a lot of vehicles that we can invest in today, but something like this is something we really need to pay attention to. The reason is, right now in the Phoenix real estate market, with houses becoming a little more scarce, in my opinion, what's going to happen to the real estate market is it's going to get harder and harder to find properties to purchase. So at some point, it's possible that we're going to see a huge renters market. And that's going to be a lifestyle change by choice. Individuals are not going to be able to find a whole lot of properties to purchase anymore. And this is just in my opinion. This is what I'm seeing in the real estate market right now. With prices are where they're at right now, it's scaring some people out of the market. They think there's going to be this huge crash. They think that prices are just going to skyrocket too high to make things affordable. The reality is, none of us know. I don't know. My broker doesn't know. Your agent who's been working in the industry for 45 years, they don't know either. Nobody knows, and that's what is so exciting about real estate. But last year in 2020, we saw a huge shift in the real estate market. I don't know if it was specifically because of COVID, but what we learned that during COVID, during a pandemic, during a time where there's a huge crisis in the world, this investment right here was not affected whatsoever. That investment right there still got paid every single month like clockwork. Now, with properties like this in a fourplex, you can actually, these particular leases are going to be up here in the next couple of months. Now, right now, this investment is not getting market rates, market rent rates, which means that you as a buyer, as the new landlord, can come in here and say, hey, these tenants have lived here for the last couple of years. They're not paying sufficient rent compared to what the market is asking right now. You can come in as the landlord and say, hey, we're the new landlords. We're the new owners of this beautiful fourplex right here. We're coming in and saying, hey, rents have gone up a little bit. Are you willing to pay the new market value for rents? Whether the answer is yes, whether the answer is no, you have the power as a landlord, as the owner of this building, to say, hey, we're making a business decision. We're going to be looking for some new tenants who are going to pay market rents right now. Now, each tenant in here is now paying $900 per month for their unit, okay? Each of these units is 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. Market rent for something like that is between $1,200 and $1,300 per month. That's right. So $900 is being collected right now. There's a potential to get $300 to $400 more per month. And when you own multi-units, what you're doing by increasing the rent is you're actually increasing the value of your property, because the amount of income that this property is generating is increasing because your rents are higher. So you as a landlord take it into your own hands to, first of all, increase the rents. You're collecting a little bit more, and then over time what you're doing is you are increasing the value of this building overall because it's producing more income. The last and final piece I want to go ahead and go over with you guys, something like this here, $650,000 for 4 doors, mind you, okay? For $650,000, this actually qualifies for FHA financing. At that limit, FHA does offer loans on multi-unit property. Something like this, you can get in, like I said, with 3.5% down. You can actually use the income from these doors right here to help you qualify for this building as well. Yes, I have a lender who has many options for us, so what I want you to do is reach out to me. Let's chat. Let's talk about how you can put that excess money from selling your house, or you have some extra money laying around, you have a 401k, you have another investment account that is paying you pennies on the dollar every year or every quarter. Let's get you into something that is paying you every single month with positive cash flow. The rental rates are astronomical right now. You will make money, but the first thing you have to do is call me, 480-235-0617. Let's chat. Let's get you into a building that pays you every single month, increases in value, and puts you in the driver's seat.